Everyone, welcome to my vlog. I need to pick up the kids. The school is done. Happy Friday, everyone. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. Kasi the sun is there again. I want to take a photo with the sun. See, the sun is in front of me. See? I want to take a photo with the sun. I like the sunshine. My golden crown. My favorite creation of God, the sun. See ya. Anyway guys, happy Friday. It's weekend again. Enjoy your weekend. If you think that my video is not good, if you want me to improve, just leave a comment in my post so that I can do improve my video or my post. If you like my video guys, don't forget to click like, heart, leave comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend guys. Bye. See the my favorite creation of God. The sun is my favorite. All God create. I'll go pick up the kids in school. Their school is only our neighbor, next building from the house.